And that authenticity is what I can help you with when you are standing up here. Because that's the real problem, isn't it? The problem is you're standing in front of a bunch of people trying to present to them, and they are not attuned. They do not necessarily want to be there. So the aim of this morning is to give you some tools that will help you with that authenticity, and also some really practical things about how to use your voice a little bit more, how to be ready. And it's really quite simple. And a lot of it is simple because it's about being brave. And I'm going to make you do some things you're not very comfortable with a little bit. But please have fun with it. So we just need to have a look. So I want you deliberately to be first circle, all right? Just deliberately go away. Be not present. Yeah, loving that part. Very good. So here you are in first circle. You're not really meeting anyone's eye, are you? You might murmur morning. It's like Monday morning in the office, isn't it? And then let's just switch that to third circle, okay? So, and use your voice is absolutely fine. Oh, how are you? Hey! How was your weekend? Do you like China, darling? China. She's just cost me a lot. Oh, look, it's Norbert. Norbert. Oh, he's getting all cuddly with me now. Could you find a space and lie down in it? Wow. Oh dear. Oh no, it's gone a bit actory. On your back, lie on your back. I'm not saying you'll be doing this every day at the office, but if you ever feel tension, and part of this exercise is to work out where those tensions are. And go. Very good. Do daily deeds diligently. And
do daily deeds diligently.
Very good. I think we'll do that individually. It's time to start picking on people. Do daily deeds diligently.
Do daily deeds diligently.
Do daily deeds diligently.
Do daily deeds diligently.
Very good. Do daily deeds diligently.
Do daily deeds diligently.
Very good. That was like, concentrate. Do daily deeds diligently.
Do daily deeds diligently.
Okay, what's Philip doing?
Accentuating. Sounding like Prince Charles.
Is it natural?
Yeah.
Is it in third circle or second circle?
Third.
Yes, Philip.